TSA Oxford 2020 question 8. So these questions are the ones where you have to analyze data. Usually it's on a chart or some kind of data presentation format like a graph or a pie chart, something like that. And it's asking you to read 5 statements and determine which one of them is true or which one of them is false. In this case, it's asking which one of the following statements is false. I think these are a good opportunity to catch up on time because you only need to find the one statement that is false. If it's asking you which one is false, it means the other 4 must be true. So you can work quickly by process of elimination. Once you find something that is definitely false, that's the answer, then you can move on to solving other questions. Let's take a look at this chart. Between 1987 and 1992, there were 4 formats of singles recordings: 7-inch, 12-inch, cassette, and CD. The accompanying graph shows total sales of singles are split between the 4 different formats between 87 and 92. Okay, so we have the 4 types here marked differently, and then we have their associated sales here on the graph. So let's see. Let's just start with A. Let's test if the revenue from sales of CDs grew every year. Okay, so CDs is the white one, is this one here. So let's just take a look at the graph. Yes, so from this year to this year, that's increase. The white has increased here. I'm just looking at the white, right? I'm just looking between here and here, looking between here and here, here and here, here and here. Yep, it looks like it increased every year. So because this is true, it cannot be the one that is false. So I'm going to cross out A. Let's see if the revenue from sales of 7-inch singles fell every single year. So the 7-inch single is is this part here. And you can pretty clearly see it fell every single year. So this is not it. Let's see the revenue from sales of 12-inch singles fell every year. So 12-inch singles are the black bars here. Let's see here. I'm just looking between 1988 and 1989. And you can already see that even though the tops of these bars are the same place here, that the bottom shows that between 1988 and 1989, these sales actually grew, right? Because the black shaded section, solid black shaded section representing the 12-inch singles, it shows that the sales actually increased. So the revenue from the sales of 12-inch singles did not fall every year. It actually increased in at least between one of the two years here, between 88 and 89. So because this statement is true, because this statement is false, this must be the correct answer. The correct answer is C. The revenue from sales of 12-inch singles did not fall every year.